welcome back to Stylish Naija YouTube channel. I want to say thank you to all of my subscribers. I appreciate all of you for subscribing to Stylish Naija YouTube channel. Thank you, and thank you so much. Okay, so I am just so very excited right now because today I'm going to be showing you how to actually cut and sew this trendy hand gloves. So you could see hand gloves have been in vogue, as in it has really been in vogue. For they use them for dinner dresses, they use them for parties. That's when you dress up and then from your remaining fabric you just make a beautiful glove to just give you like this classy look. So today I'm going to show you how to cut and sew them. It is very simple and easy. Okay, so if you are new to my channel, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to Stylish Naija YouTube channel and then hit on the bell to get an update whenever I upload a new video. So that's just like basically the essence. And then if you want to register for my online class, you could see my number scrolling through the screen. Just send me a message on WhatsApp and then I'll send you the details. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, so you can see a pattern that I drafted here earlier on. So now I'm going to show you how to do this. It is a very simple process. And so some of the fabrics that I recommend for making a glove is a stretchy fabric. You make use of a very stretchy fabric. So you can see this fabric, it is really stretchy. You can make use of suede, you can make use of lycras. So this is a sequence, so it's stretchy also. So I'm going to be making use of one of them for the glove. So you can see what I drafted earlier on. So it is a very simple process. So once you want to make for somebody, you just put your tape like this on the middle finger and then you measure up to where you want it to be. Most of them it gets to the elbow, or you can extend it. So for this we're going to be making it, let it get to the elbow part. So which I have now is 17 inches. So it is a very simple process. So I'm just going to take my hand like this. For instance, if you are sewing for somebody, once you have a pattern, you can use it for any size. Why? Because the fabric is really stretchy that you are using, so it can go in for anybody. So I'm just going to place my hand like this, and then from this part I'm going to start drawing. So you could see, so I'm adding allowance to it. Why I'm doing that? So you could see my hand gloves. So now I'm just going to blend. I'm just so excited. So I added enough allowance to it, so because you see, because of the sewing. So the next thing we're going to cut out. So I'm going to measure to make sure it gets to 17. So you see it. What I even have here is 18 inches. So I'm going to cut it out right now. Okay, so you can see what we have. So the next thing, I'm going to place it on top of my fabric, and then we're going to cut out. So I'm going to be making use of this one that is very stretchy. So, and then you are going to watch the stretchy part. So this is the most stretchy part. Okay, no, this is the stretchiest part. So this part that is most stretchy is what is going to be on the straight side of my, so you could see it. That's what will be on the straight side. I'm just going to fold my fabrics like this into two, and then I'll place my pattern here like this. So at the end of the day, so you see what we have. So I'm going to take it now to my machine, and then I'm going to go and sew. So you could see it has enough space. So you could see it's a little bit wide because when I sew it will now become slim. So when you want to measure your clients, your customers, your clients, you can measure their wrist also. That's their elbow also to get this part to make sure it is tight. So now we'll go over to the machine. Let's go and start stitching. Okay, so welcome to our table. So now we're going to start sewing. But because of my fabric it's a lycra and it is super stretchy. So I'm using a candlestick to just run the edges of the fabric so it will stitch properly. So we're going to start stitching like this. Just a simple process. Okay, so it is stitching. It did not stitch. So I'm just using my hands. So I'm checking it. So it's stitching. I guess it's because of the candle. This is like a little trick of sewing a very stretchy fabric. Okay, so I'm going to open it up now and try it on. Okay, so at the end of the day, so you could see what I have for my hand glove. So I had a little opening here. So this down part, once I'm done, I'm going to just hem it, or you can just tuck it in when you put it on. So you could see, so I'm going to stitch this part. And then this part you should use, as in that's after sewing. So I did not notch mine, so you should notch it so it relaxes more. So these are just some of the things that I noticed inside. So you should notch it from the inside. So at the end of the day, so you see how it is looking. So you can actually use this for your winter gloves also. So thank you so much. I'm just so, I'm just so excited. I say, what will we not sew? So thank you. I'll see you in my next video. So you can actually rock it like this.